Tired of your phone dying? Then you need to see the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh portable charger, your ultimate solution to never running out of battery. With an incredible 20,000 mAh capacity, this power beast can charge your iPhone 6s over 6 times, keeping all your devices powered for days. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, intelligently optimizing charging speeds for any connected device. That means you get the fastest, safest charge possible without even thinking about it. No more slow charging frustrations. Plus, its dual USB ports allow you to power up 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing with a friend or charging your phone and tablet at once. Forget hunting for outlets. This robust power bank ensures you stay connected whether you're traveling, camping, or just out for a long day. If you're looking to buy the best portable charger that combines massive capacity with smart, efficient charging, the PowerCore 20000 mAh is it. Anker's reputation for quality and durability means this isn't just a gadget. It's a reliable companion you can trust for years. For anyone serious about portable power in 2025, this Anker PowerCore is an absolute game changer and a smart investment. Don't miss out on endless power. Find the Amazon link in the description below and grab yours today.